Jungle.
So the nearest province to the sea. Saka borderline yedu is very important as far as the trade, trade between this country and SADC and the rest of the world is concerned. So Tinema border post, Forbes border post, Kesho Valley, Spunga Beira, but Kuno, the northern side, Akuna border post, there is a lot of activity. Tine ma companies are quite a lot of production for export, like Eastern Highlands, tea company, Sikada Tinayo, area Muno, and others. Very cool one access to the port of Beira through Mutare, through Forbes border post, like Kidza, Kubudamu Valley, Munomu Honde Valley. Really very expensive and sometimes dangerous because of the terrain. Yet we could be using the route Yeku Tipavene border post Panab. Novaraita is very convenient for them. So urumende iri kutarisira kuti kuve neborder post kuarea ino yeHonde Valley. So tauya kuzoona the feasibility of it, surrounding circumstances, surrounding factors. But so far what we have seen is pointing to the need for the existence of a border post that should change, that should be a game changer in as far as trade via this place and the production Honde Valley Muno and the whole other area stretching out from Munyanga to Makoni is concerned. Saka tine mfaro mkuru kuti ma stakeholders edu tinawo pano, ma companies that are doing a lot of work in the Honde Valley. They are also eager and enthusiastic kuti pave nechiitiko chekuvakwa kweborder post. They have even offered to chip in, come in a big way, put up a bridge, put up the infrastructure in the usual manner that is encouraged by our president, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa. We must work together, my government departments and my private players, my private companies, as we develop our country, as we run with Vision 2030. In the entity where with good health and wellness.
It's a very good move, considering the issue of export. People are going through from here to that's almost 70 kilometers. So we need for saka munhu asina that cost yekukwira cost yake yakunopindirwa ivi ramanika then amukwira panjobi akutoenda kuchii takata distance, then they still do takata cost. Then but if you convenience continue business, look at Sikada, Eastern Highlands, to wind in it cheap, it means each time a days since the inconvenience, few hours business. Sakana Vakno, Shawanese, because we are on time. In the government, I think it will be cheaper for them to put this thing up. But so much food, we should shop at the relationship. You want to see what we must have. So, one of them to know what are long Congo, we want the river. We can't want to most of the side. As well as there's constant movement between the nation so it will help on the parliament and at the same time it will come near this man because no ways are going to as part of border reformer it means we just say
Mozambique is one issue that our campaigns so ndio one of the deliverables in Second Republic yatakatarisira kuti tikwanisa one border ichagadzira development yatiri kutaura industrialization yedu yatakuisa pahauna apo mukaiso yemudiwa nesecond republic. Kutaura modernization, kutaura employment kumadzimai nemayouth with a very good border panapa. We shall see kuti zvichaenda pane imwe level. Mukatarisa kudyidzana kuripo panyika mbiri, Mozambique neZimbabwe, munozviona tichiteedzera president wedu achitaura kuti nyika inovakwa nevenevayo.